Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Planner Advent Box of Planything of 2020. I hope you all have a great Christmas, and right now it's time to show you what is in the Advent boxes. I had so much fun creating the box, and I really couldn't wait for you to see what was in here. So I'm going to start showing you. If you haven't followed the Instagram stories where I was sharing them, I'm going to just keep watching and you will see what was in here. Okay, let's start with number one. Number one is one of the bigger packages. Number 1 and number 24 are one of the bigger. So I want to start big and end big. So let's open it. In the first bag there was a planner cover slash traveler notebook. You can use it for a lot of things, like as a planner cover, traveler notebook, December daily, December memories. You can even use it as a cover just for a notebook where you write your wish list in, just all kind of options. Let's go to number 2. This is a notebook for in your traveler notebook slash planner cover. You can add it behind the elastics, and you can even add your other planner also behind it. And I added this notebook because it's just plain blank pages, so you can use it for all kind of things. I thought people can use it for December daily with pictures, or you can just doodle, or you know, write stories or wish list or to buy or just whatever. Yeah, so I hope you liked it. Let's go to number 3. In number 3 there are stickers, box stickers. Let's see them all. There are 3 sticker sheets, and like also with the boxes, all the patterns are coming back in all the products. And if you also had the Christmas time box, you see the same style is coming back. Number 4. Number 4 was really one of my favorites. A Christmas tree punch. You can slide the paper in here and punch it. Number 5. And yet again stickers. This time it are foil stickers, as you can see. Gold foil stickers. And clear stickers. It are clear gold foil stickers. With some cute Christmas quotes, a big Christmas, Merry Christmas, and some other little Christmas quotes. Then number 6. It is the washi tape. And as you can see, the pattern also matches the notebook from number 2. Then it's time for number 7. It's paper! It's A5 paper sheets, and there are 3 paper sheets in here, double-sided. It's this cute Christmas tree. You can also, you also saw in the stickers, and some cute Christmas pattern, some gingerbread cookies, and this pattern again you also saw on the washi tapes and the notebook. And this really cute Christmas card and the Christmas gifts, which also is the pattern of the notebook. It's time for number 8. Stencils. It's our Christmas stencils and snowflake winter stencils. This says winter time. Aren't they cute? Then we go to number 9. Little cute bag. It are Christmas clips. It's a gingerbread clip and a Santa hat as a paper clip. How cute! Then number 10. It's this cute Christmas gingerbread sticky notes. Number 11. It are Christmas stickers. As you can see, they're also matching again with the paper. You see the car, you see the patterns here. So cute. There's some Christmas quotes, words, and some decorative Christmas stickers. Number 12. It are adhesive pockets too, and they're transparent. See where it's opening. Here you can see these cute little pockets. You can add them to your planner like this. You can add your stickers, clips, pens, paper, cards, whatever you like to add, because they're pretty big. What do you think so far? I hope you like it. And number 13. Two washi tapes. Two skinny washi tapes. One with the gingerbread and one with little Christmas trees. Number 14. It's the Christmas pen. It's a red pen with green gems. Isn't it cute? And of course the pen also says Planything. 15. It's a clear stamp. It says Merry Christmas. Number 16. It are clear foil winter stickers. The cutest snowflakes, Let It Snow, and this snow globe. I really love all the stickers. I mean, I love the whole box. Number 17. We have one part Christmas products and one part winter products. So you can still use the products for winter after Christmas. Because when you're opening still stuff on the 24th or after the 20th, you have a lot of Christmas stuff you can use. So the winter products you of course can use also after Christmas. Number 17 is this cute notepad, A6 notepad. You can write down all your winter plans, to-do lists, all the things you want to write down. I think it's really cute. I really love the little snowman here. Number 18. It's cute washi tapes with snowflakes. Cute. I'm so sad that Christmas is over. We have to wait another year. Well, not a whole year, well, until it's Christmas, but in October the Christmas box for Planything, of course, will be released again. So in October I'm already in the Christmas spirit and I have no problem at all with that. Number 19. Oh, some cute paper clips. Blue with snowflakes and snowman. Number 20. It's another clear stamp with Let It Snow. So cute. Number 21. Oops. And some cute winter stickers. Aren't they adorable? I'm sorry, I love my stickers. I love everything. It's the first sheet, the second sheet with the cute snowman again, and some cute winter quotes. Oh, it's such a cute font also. Number 22. It's winter paper. It's A5 double-sided winter paper. It's with the snowflakes and snowman again. A sweater pattern and some cute stars. And ice skating and Let It Snow, just like the stamp and like the clear sticker. So everything is coordinating with each other, which I personally really like. Number 23. It's a cute skinny washi. It's a snow washi with text, with quotes like Winter Wonderland, snowflakes, fun in the snow, let it snow. It's really cute. And then we're almost at the end. It's the end. Number 24. It is the winter pouch and it's really big. You can add so many stuff in here. So many pens, scissors, you can even add stickers, washi tapes. It's like the size of my head. I really hope you enjoyed the planner advent box, and I'm already working on the advent box for next year because right now I'm in the Christmas mood, and last time I was creating them it was like in a heat wave here, so I already started with it, so there will be absolutely a advent box next year for Planything. I had so much fun and I also got a lot of messages from you that you really enjoyed it too. So thank you for watching this video, and happy holidays and a happy new year. Bye.